The Business Mentor Talks is vlogged by no other, Armando Butz Bartolome. In cooperation with the Manila Times, it aims to bring to life and recognize entrepreneurs who constantly strive to create a living for the community as well. Listen to the Business Mentor Talks with Butz Bartolome.
Again, tatandaan mo nung araw, we were talking about AI.
Yes po.
Okay, and nobody knew what
Actually,
AI.
hindi nila
Wala.
naiintindihan.
Walang alam, di ba?
Kasi hindi pa nila nahahawakan.
Oo. So, ngayon 2024, ang dami nakipag-usap about AI. Ano na ngayon na nangyayari, Choy? Sa AI?
Kasi, alam nyo, ang AI, mas matanda pa yan sa matatanda.
Matagal na yung AI.
Yeah, it started during the war.
Yeah.
Kasi, syempre, during the war, naghahanap sila ng mga technology na, syempre, mag-create ng better weaponry.
Mm-mm.
But it takes them almost 50 years, no? Bago talaga totaling maintindihan ng mga ordinary people. But again, this is something that people should not be afraid of, but also be afraid of.
Yeah. Kasi
Oo.
iba-ibang klaseng AI nung araw. Di ba? Iba-iba. Hindi naman just what we are having
Pag
right
sinabi nyo kasing AI, unlike mga applications lang na pinoprogram, yung mga software,
now. Mm-mm.
it is only limited to the, kumbaga, program ng tao. Kung ano yung iutos mo, yun lang ang gagawin niya.
Kumbaga,
Parang
Parang
1 plus 1, 2.
oo, yun lang yung sinasabi
2
nila.
plus 2, 4.
Oo.
Yan.
Oo.
Kung ano yung input mo, yun lang ang result niya.
Correct.
Unlike artificial intelligence, ito yung nagkikreate siya ng sarili niyang programming. Ibig sabihin, ang isang AI, dapat, kahit iwan mo yan, madidevelop niya sarili niya.
Mm-mm.
That you don't have to program it.
In other words,
It learns from itself.
it grows by itself.
Yes, that's
Yan ang-
artificial
yan ang nangyari,
intelligence.
yeah.
Yun po yung basic explanation ng artificial intelligence.
Aha. So, para bang, anong ba ngayon na nangyayari? Ba't at ang dami-daming, noong 2024 daming pinag-uusapan lahat yan?
Because,
Bakit ngayon lang?
kasi po, nung nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic, di ba, ang tao huminto sa bahay lang. So,
Mm-mm.
and then, here comes ChatGPT. Nung 2022 lang yan, 2 years pa lang po ang ChatGPT. Doon lang
Okay.
nagkaroon ng awareness yung tao regarding artificial intelligence. But AI has been with us for the longest time. For example, yun na lang yung Facebook na lang is using AI for the longest time.
Mhm.
So, meron siyang algorithm na halimbawa, nag-search ka for a certain product.
Mm-mm.
Pansinin nyo, lahat ng lalabas dyan na
Halos lahat ng
nahanap mo.
yung tinignan mo lang yon, yan ang
Oo,
sunod-sunod
tapos
na
sunod-sunod na.
pinifeed sa'yo.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yun
O yung mga shopping
algorithm
platforms,
niya.
di ba?
And also,
Oo.
search engine, Yahoo pa lang is
Oo.
also already as artificial intelligence na yan. Google.
Mm.
So, naging wide lang siya, especially now na ginagamit na siya ng ordinary na tao.
Mm.
Kasi dati it's only for those people who yung mga may pera or yung sa mga companies.
Ay, may mga scientific
Yes.
mga inventions,
Oo, kasi
mga laboratories, di ba?
Hindi mo naman basta yan makukuha
Oo.
ng... And also, hindi naman siya libre.
Mm-mm.
Unlike ngayon, meron free trial or yung mga free credits na tinatawag.
Actually,
Oo,
correct.
kasi ngayon lang nagkaroon yan. Dati, ang bayaran natin, monthly. Ngayon,
Mm.
ang binibili natin, credits na. So, ibig sabihin, yung credits na yan is a certain, parang pera,
Mm.
coins na, ito yung coin mo, ito
Yan
na
ang babayad
mabibili
mo sa kanya. Yan ang
Yes.
credit. Oo. Pero paano ba na reach out ng layman ang AI, na accept ang AI? Kasi parang ito,
Oo.
kumbaga nasa langit eh.
Oh,
na-bring down nila sa lupa,
yes.
na naintindihan ng common masses.
Opo.
Paano nila nagawa yon?
Eh
At
kasi
naunawaan ng kahit sino.
since dati po sobrang mahal kasi data po 'yan, lahat ng
Mm-mm.
anything that you input doon. Ang tawag diyan yung machine
Oo.
learning. Yun yung pinaprocess at may mga iba't ibang lumabas ngayon, mga LLM or language model.
Large language model.
Iba-iba rin 'yan, kung ano yung specifics na gusto mong gawin, yun lang yung i-learn niya.
Mhm.
Unlike nung lumabas na yung ChatGPT, no, under yan ng OpenAI.
Oo.
So, kumalat na yan. Tapos may mga sa Facebook na, yung Llama
Mm-mm.
3.5, ito na yung Genesis ng Google. So, ang lawak-lawak niya na. So, dahil may competition, yung mga companies, open niya yan for public na i-test lahat yan.
So marami ng variations pala ngayon,
Yes.
maraming models ang
Exactly.
sinasabi natin.
May Claude and everything. But
Tsaka
people-
even the image.
yes,
Di ba
but
dati Word lang, no? Word lang nakikita
Opo,
natin.
actually, kung mapapansin nyo, 2 years ago lang, sobrang pangit pa ng mga graphics.
Oo.
Ngayon, perfect na. Hindi mo na ma-identify if it's AI generated. So, nagkaroon na rin ng general intelligence na ngayon. So, mas wide na rin
Pati
siya.
nga yung mga mukha, di ba dati, mga makikita
katulad-
mo na hindi gumagalaw yung ang mata lang, pero
Oo.
walang emotions, no? Pero ngayon, nakikita
Opo,
mo ngayon,
actually-
ng AI, meron ng halos close to being human.
Actually, it's human na.
Mhm.
Kasi ang data naman yan, yung model niyan, ikaw mismo, tao mismo. Yan tao naman, wala naman nagbabago dyan. Yung galaw lang natin. So pag na-collect na ng AI, kaya niya nang gawin lahat. Like, bigyan mo lang ng 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes na video yan. Kopyang-kopya ka na niya. Kasi lahat ng mannerism mo, makukuha niya na.
Mhm.
Kasi hindi naman tayo paiba-iba ng mannerism. Isa lang naman, like when we speak, when we
So, ibig sabihin, no, parang, well, short of saying clone.
clone. Exactly. That's
Naku-clone
your
talaga.
clone. Kaya ngayon,
So, ano ang difference ngayon between a clone and the real one?
wala na. Kasi ang internet po is not a real world. It's a cyber world. Even it's real or not, people will never notice. Just like what I have done
Yeah,
a while
mamaya
ago.
papakita natin yan, no?
Nagulat kayo, kita ko sa mukha nyo,
para bang,
First time in history yan. This was just launched 2 days ago. Because I'm working with 11 Labs now, the number 1 AI voice company in the world. So ako po ang agency sa Philippines ng Filipino Voices. So lahat ng mga Filipino voice na kailangan ng 11 Labs, ako po ang
ito English-Filipino.
nag-create ng data para
Oo.
i-process. At dito sa studio na to nanggagaling ang mga boses na yan. Na hindi ko na kailangan na mag-boses, pero exactly the way I speak. Lahat mannerism
So,
ko,
mamaya
intonation.
papakita natin yung demo na yan.
Tsaka meron pang iba.
Magugulantang kayo. But anyway, Joy, ang importante ngayon ano ba ang future ng AI as against those people really working, no? Kasi nung araw pinagsasabi natin na huwag matakot sa AI. Pero marami naman tayong nababalitaan ngayon na maraming mga call center agents na
Ninong,
medyo napapalitan na ng AI.
Actually, AI will literally kill 80 to 90% of jobs by 2030. So in the next 5 years, we still have 5 years to be ready. But as of now, napakarami nang nagsara dahil
Like ano
for example,
mga tatamaan
call
talaga.
center agents na lang.
Correct.
Before, when
meron mga news about call center agents being affected.
When you ask question, kailangan may direkta kang kausap eh.
Correct.
Ngayon hindi na. One AI can talk to more than 1 million people at the same time.
1
Same
million.
voice, yes. Even 2 million, 10 million.
Aha.
Come to think of
Hindi,
it.
kasi honestly, yung mga napapansin ko sa mga call centers, no, when I call, no, when I ask, ang ingay eh. Ang ingay ng mga katabi.
Background, di ba?
Background, no?
Kasi
Minsan
alam mo,
uubo ba? Gano'n, no? Pero, tapos para bang hindi niya makuha exactly kung anong gusto mo.
Yes.
And then sasabihin sa'yo, do you mind waiting 2 to 3
Yes.
minutes, no? And 3 minutes na yun, nagiging 20 minutes eh.
Tama. Kasi,
Pero babalik at babalik pa rin kayo.
yes. Kasi, lahat naman yan binabasa lang nila eh. Lahat yan data lang. Wala namang alam ang call center agent talaga sa sinasabi niya eh.
So everything is
Because
scripted.
everything's scripted. It's just yes or no.
So kung
left
yung
and right.
scripted na yun, nawawala sa script,
Oh,
kaya
saka
nagsasearch siya.
yes, that's the idea. So,
Oo.
kanina, I presented to you kung how this AI in my website can talk to you directly.
O yan, pakita na nga natin. Palagay ko, inip na yung mga nanonood sa atin. O Choy, i-demonstrate mo nga. Ano natin yan.
Ayan, for example, yan, sabi, ask Pocholo, no? This is my website, pochologonzales.com. You can visit, you can ask, dati kasi you have to research, ano ba itong meron dito, di ba? I-click mo, babasahin mo, ano ba yung mga yan. So now you don't have to do that. All you have to do is to ask me, my avatar voice. So for example, Ninong, anything you want to ask, I need a speaker, something like that.
Yes.
This is a speaking website. Okay? Let's ask Pocholo. Okay, yan.
Hi, I'm the voice master of the Philippines.
Talk, dito kayo, Ninong.
Welcome to the official website of Pocholo de Leon Gonzalez. How can I help you today?
Pakilala kayo.
Hi, I'm Butch Bartolome and I need inspirational speaker who can talk to students graduating in college. Can you do that?
Okay.
Hello, Butch Bartolome. It's wonderful to hear from you. Yes, I would be thrilled to speak at your event and inspire the graduating students with my experience as a motivational speaker and my passion for empowering the youth. I can certainly craft a message that will encourage and prepare them for their future endeavors. What specific themes or topics would you like to focus on for the speech? And could you share more details about the event?
Number one, I like a dynamic and fun, alive speaker who will talk about what is life after graduation. At the same time, give some real situations or case or challenges that people who graduate face. Can you do that?
So, it's processing.
Absolutely, Butch. I specialize in delivering dynamic and engaging talks that are not only fun but also filled with real-life insights and practical advice. I can discuss life after graduation, focusing on the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead by using real-world examples and personal anecdotes. I'll help equip your students with the tools they need
Complete.
to navigate their new journeys
That's me.
with confidence. Additionally, I can incorporate interactive elements and inspirational stories to keep the audience engaged while emphasizing the importance of resilience, adaptability, and continuous learning.
Medyo.
Let's make this a memorable event that will truly empower and motivate the graduates as they step into the next chapter of their lives.
Good.
When and where will
Very good, very good. There you are, ladies and gentlemen, yung mga nanonood sa atin sa vlog. Ito, pinakita natin an actual demonstration of what Pocholo Gonzalez was talking and discussing with us.
And that's
okay?
what I'm offering to the future business that I can work with. You don't need any call center or agents. Just call me. I will help you to do this on your own.
Pero Choy, ang importante dito, ano ba ang kailangan ng isang entrepreneur? No? I mean, of course, number one is actually the ability to multiply
Mhm.
and effectively work, right?
Yes.
Kasi ang entrepreneur, alam mo naman, ang dami iniisip niyan.
Yes.
Kulang pa yung kamay at paa.
Yes.
Di ba? So, but the thing is, in what way can it really be beneficial sa entrepreneur?
Just recently, Ninong,
Hmm.
I just launched the Creative Voices Labs in partnership with 11 Labs and different AI companies. Because I'm working also with Murph AI,
Mm-mm.
Tomato AI. Yung Tomato AI po, yung from Filipino accent to American accent. For example, I don't need to learn American accent,
Mm.
but I can be a call center agent. Hello, can I help you? Tagalog accent. So the other side will hear, hello, can I help you? Yung mga ganun. Parang, so again, parang nagiging pasay na rin since call center nga. pwede na ng AI, hindi mo na kailangan ng tao.
Mm-mm.
So, nagdodoble pa yung problema doon, di ba?
Mm.
Unlike this one, he can answer everything.
So,
you want.
anong basically ang information? Siguro yan yung tinatanong
Well,
ng karamihan. Paano man na-feed yan? Para sa ganon, it will cater to you
Yes.
as an entrepreneur.
All I can, as an agency, kami ang AI agency sa Philippines, the only
Mm.
voice AI agency.
Mm.
Just feed me, give me all your data,
Like what are the information?
all the information you want to know na as a
No, but-
customer.
Ganong katagal nila ma-absorb yan para
Instant,
to create,
instant.
not
as in-
months.
Of course not. In 1 second, I can do that. Just give me.
Like what are the basic
like
information?
data, like for example, you're selling something, the prices.
Mm-mm.
So, how much? Yung problem lang dyan, kung ilan yung natitira mong na product, for example.
Mm-mm.
But of course, siya lang, ang trabaho lang naman niya, bridge eh.
Mm-mm.
Hindi naman siya magpa-process.
Bukod sa products or services, what if, let's say, like in my case, I'm a business consultant and I don't have a product, but I have my services.
Yeah,
So,
give me all the data you
Oo.
have. What can you do? And then eventually, direkta na siyang kokontak sa'yo.
okay.
So parang kumbaga siya lang ang middleman.
Mhm.
Of course, he can answer everything na pwedeng
Yeah,
itanong
because
sa
the way
kanya.
I asked kanina, di ba, again, na-demonstrate natin,
Yes.
no?
But of course, iba pa rin pag tao.
Aha.
When may limit naman siya, ililimit mo lang hanggang doon. Kunwari, huwag mo sabihin lahat, hanggang dito lang. And
Mm.
after that, kasi you
Pero
can only
how
talk.
can a person, like for example, I'm now talking to this sa AI, and all of a sudden the person wants and say, can I talk to you one? How can that trigger off?
Basically, you have to call, to email, and then, kasi yung data na sinabi niya, mapakinggan ko rin yan eh. Meron akong way to get,
So let's say like a customer say, I know that you're ang tawag natin nung araw, bot eh.
but,
BOT, hindi ba? Pero sabihin na iba, I'd like to talk to human or talk to an agent, live agent, di ba? Yun ang usually na ginagawa
well,
ni iba.
basically, wala siyang live agent.
Aha.
Ang goal lang naman natin is to inform people na you exist, this is real. And then you can just email or...
Because all questions that they want probably
yes,
in their
yun
mind,
lang naman eh.
tatanong nila.
Mm.
Wow. So that's a far cry from the development
And this
ng
is the-
AI.
So fresh, as in 2 days ago lang namin to nilaunch.
Fantastic.
Yes.
So yan mga kaibigan, tignan nyo, the Filipino can. Di ba? Sinasabi natin, ang Pinoy talagang kayang-kaya. Why? Because, tignan nyo yung...
Everything happened inside this room.
this young guy.
Me alone,
okay.
myself and I. I'm also the #1 AI voice. Even if you ask Google, who's the best Filipino voice talent,
Mm.
ako pa rin lalabas. let's try, di ba? Ito, Ninong ha.
Oh.
Let's try. You can ask. Go.
Who's the best Filipino talent in the Philippines?
Voice talent.
Voice talent.
Again, let's start.
So yan, tanungin natin ng Google. Who is the best Filipino voice talent?
Hello, who is... Again, lang naman, Ninong.
Yan.
Kasi hindi nyo nasabi yung...
Yeah.
Yung ulitin natin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Who is the best Filipino voice talent?
In the Philippines, there are many exceptionally talented voice artists, but one notable figure stands out. Pocholo the Voice Master Gonzalez. He is widely recognized for his versatility and has made significant contributions to the voice acting industry with his experience as a veteran voice artist and as the founder of Creative Voices Productions. He has trained and inspired a new generation of voice talent. His dedication to promoting and enhancing the craft of voice acting in the Philippines has earned him a
Galing.
distinguished...
So, come to think of
Oo.
it, so there's like thousands of voice talent, but I'm the only one, he's saying.
That's
May
good.
mga sumisikat sa TikTok, but of course, iba pa rin yung
Yeah.
talagang
Correct.
credible and may
Okay.
authority.
So, what's the next step? What's the future of AI against the
Well,
humans, for example? Will there be magkakaroon ba ng competition ng human at saka
There's no
AI?
competition because AI is not a human.
Correct. Walang emotions
No, Ninong, meron na.
Meron na?
I'll show you.
Ayun.
I'll show you again.
Tignan mo yung mga AI na yan.
So I have this. So this is my website, 11 Labs. So, for example, I created a voice of an old man. So, meron akong 11 million credits. That's, in peso, that's 11 million pesos.
Wow.
Yes, per credit is 1 peso.
Aha.
So, ganun kamahal ang AI. Although there's free, but of course, you cannot do what you want. So, look at this.
Yun nga pala ang
I have
question.
11 million.
Yun ang question, Cholo. There are people who say, ano ba difference ng free? Pareho naman nakuha ko kaysa sa magbabayad.
You get what you pay for, basically. Of course, in the world, wala namang there's no such thing as free because someone paid for it.
Correct. But in the case of ChatGPT, may free at
Yes,
may
but
ChatGPT
it's not the
Plus.
same way na may bayad. Yung quality pa rin ang pinag-uusapan natin. So, for example, I created this voice of mine, Lolo Tasio.
Ilim, hanapin ang liwanag.
So, meron ako, and when I use ChatGPT, I'll create a message, parang, write a message in Tagalog to the youth and children of tomorrow from Lolo Tasio. So, Lolo Tasio is my alter ego as an old man. Ako si Lolo Tasio. Yan yung boses ko kapag nag-storytelling ako. Noong unang panahon. Ayan. Ang mga apo, sa paglipas ng panahon, marami nang nagbago sa ating mundo. So, instead of me recording it, my AI voice will do it for me. So, I don't need to record myself. So, ito yung magiging result niya. In just 1 second, I have generated
Mga apo,
my voice.
sa paglipas ng panahon, marami nang nagbago sa ating mundo. Ngunit ang puso ng tao, ang kanyang pagmamahal, pag-asa, at pananampalataya ay nananatiling pareho. Kaya't nais kong
Fantastic.
iwan sa inyo ang ilang paalala na sana'y magbigay lakas sa inyong paglalakbay sa buhay.
Una,
Una,
huwag ninyong kalimutan ang inyong pinagmulan. Ang ating
ang ating kultura
at ang
kasaysayan,
at ang mga aral ng nakaraan ay hindi lamang kwento. Ito'y gabay na magbibigay. So, it's the same.
sa inyong
Even I record it, it will sound like that.
igalang ang inyong mga
So,
magulang,
sabi niyo walang acting?
mga nakatatanda. At
Who would
ang
thought it's not recorded? It's AI.
sila ang mga ugat
Ayun
ng
nagsasayaw.
ating pagkatao.
Ganun din.
Yung characters.
It's a
Gamitin
secret. Basta voice lang po ang aking itinuturo. Everything is behind development pa po. So, yun yung narinig nyo.
sugat.
So, in just pak, sabi ko, in 1 second, pak!
Tandaan ninyo ang kasabihang
Na dapat i-record ko ng 10 minutes.
Pero wala ba siyang face?
It
At ang
can.
paraan ng paggamit
Soon.
natin
Ha?
dito
Soon.
ay
Ayun.
ating
I can do that.
pabalik sa
Oo.
Okay, look at this.
Pangatlo, maging matapang sa pagtupad ng inyong mga pangarap at pagmamahal
So, yung
at sigurado
boses kong yan po,
akong
di ba
malayo
hinanapan nyo ako ng
ang
mukha?
mararating ninyo.
So, ako lang yan. Pero pwede kong
Nagmamahal.
maghanap ng ibang mukha ng matanda.
Lolo
Pero ako,
Tasio.
oh. So, Lolo Tasio
Okay.
is my alter
So,
ego.
magkakaroon ka ng mukha ngayon, behind the voice.
Yes, but we have to wait for 5 minutes kasi
Okay.
inaaral niya pa yung boses ko para mag-sync sa...
So, may face yan. May
Yes.
face features.
And it's my face.
May movement.
And it's my face. So, I don't need to record myself.
So, ito, parang kumuha ka lang ng picture mo,
Opo.
tapos bahala na yung AI ang mag-aano.
Yes.
Ganun
For
ba yan?
example, itong boses na yan, papalitan ko po. Ayan. So, gagawin kong boses ko talaga. Ito pala. So, ako na yung boses ngayon.
Mga
One.
apo, sa paglipas ng panahon, marami nang
Yan ang
nagbago
natural
sa ating
voice.
mundo.
That natural voice
Ngunit
ko.
ang puso ng tao, ang kanyang pagmamahal, pag-asa, at
Mhm.
pananampalataya
Sino po
ay
naririnig nyo?
nananatiling pareho.
Bisi po cholo
Kaya't
na yan.
nais kong iwan sa inyo ang
110%.
paalala. Sana'y magbigay lakas
So,
sa
that's
inyong
better than me.
paglalakbay sa buhay. Una,
Kasi di siya
huwag
nagkakamali.
ninyong kalilimutan ang inyong pinagmulan. Ang
Kasi ako
ating
pwede pa akong
kultura,
magbakel.
kasaysayan,
Mm.
at mga aral ng nakaraan ay hindi lamang kwento.
Fantastic.
Ito'y gabay na
Yan,
magbibigay
mga
liwanag sa
live.
inyong ina.
Live demonstration
demonstration
of a man who talks and walks about AI.
Yes.
Okay? Ito yung mga sinasabi ko ngayon na maraming mga, hindi ba, Pacholo, maraming nagsasabi about AI. I guess you're the authority.
Yes.
No? Kasi nga, sinasabi natin, meron kang proof eh.
Mhm.
What you're doing now, what you're showing to our audience,
Yes.
is actually,
And
Ah.
gine-gatekeep ko to po ng maraming tao na nakikinabang dito.
mm-mm,
At yung mga hindi nakakaintindi, galit sila. Like mga voice talents sa ibang bansa.
mm-mm.
Even dito sa Pilipinas, may grupo nga na anti-AI voice. Don't use AI voice. Use human voice. Parang wala namang kasalanan ng AI. Ang kasalanan niyan, kayo. Kasi
Mm-mm.
mukha kayong pera-pera na lang, masama pa ugali nyo,
Mm-mm.
mapanirang puri pa kayo. Yun yung problema sa tao. Saka wala kayong utang na loob. Si
Pero
AI, hindi niya kailangan yan.
Si AI naman, wala siya.
Wala emosyon yan
Wala
eh.
siya, di ba?
At maganda, makakapili yung tao kung kanino ang boses gusto nilang gamitin. Hindi katulad mo, isa lang ang choice ng tao, tapos pera-pera ka pa.
Mhm.
Eh wala na, tapos na. Ang English voiceover ninong patay na. Ako na mismo nagsasabi, patay na ang voiceover in English. Pero ang natira, dubbing, acting, voice acting. Hindi naman umaarte ang AI eh.
Mm.
Hindi niya masusundan yung video basta-basta. But it has another program like that na I can change in different languages.
Mm.
And I can show you also later.
Fantastic, ha?
So,
Yan eh, talagang mukhang ibang-iba na yung pinag-usapan natin. Last year lang yan.
opo.
Diba?
Nung inopen ko sa inyo,
Oo,
iba
last year.
pa.
Alam mo, ang bilis ng transformation, ha?
Because AI can multiply 1,000 folds development in just an instant.
So yung sinasabi mong wait for 5 years, that's not going to happen.
That's already
Masyadong-
50 years in our lifetime.
Oo.
Ganun siya katagal. Pero, ang pinag-uusapan natin, 5 years na yan. 50 years na po yan nung 50 years ago.
So mabilis. Ayan na,
Sobrang
mukhang yan na yung
Ito na.
yan na yung tunay na may mukha na. Ito yan, panoorin natin yan.
Okay,
No?
so ito na yung mukha ko na in just an instant na download ko agad because I have one.
Mga apo, sa paglipas ng panahon, marami nang nagbago sa ating mundo. Ngunit ang puso ng tao, ang kanyang pagmamahal, pag-asa, at pananampalataya ay nananatiling pareho. Kaya't nais kong iwan sa inyo ang ilang paalala na sana'y magbigay lakas sa inyong paglalakbay sa buhay. Una, huwag ninyong kalilimutan ang
So boses ng matanda yan. Pwede kong palitan ng boses ko yan. Yung ginawa ko naman kanina. So magiging ako na talaga siya. So if I want to use an old man's face, I can do that also. Gusto nyo kayong gumawa? Gagawin ko ngayon in your face nyo. Okay. Eto ha.
Mukhang meron tayong, ito yung vlog natin live.
Okay.
No?
Ipa-vlog
Talagang live.
natin ngayon to, Nino.
Oo.
Papalitan ko lang, magpapalit lang ako ng avatar mo. Magbubura ako ng isang avatar ko.
Oh.
Tabi muna tayo. Dapat si Ninong lang nakikita. Dito ka, tabi.
Oh.
Hindi, tabi kayo. Kita kayo sa camera.
Jun, tabi ka lang.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay. Sound check.
Sound check.
Ayan.
Sound check.
Okay. So, anything you want to say, Ninong, ha?
Mm.
Kumari, ito para kayong nasa TV. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Butch Bartolome. I'm a business mentor specializing on franchising. So you want to have a business that can expand immeasurably globally, locally. Talk to me. 34 years of experience. You can't go wrong. It's a one-on-one, personalized coaching. And again, mind you, I grew by word of mouth. So, people who are looking at business expansion, franchising, strategically growing, talk to me, Butch Bartolome. Get in touch with me and visit my website, gmb.ph.
Okay,
So, yan.
Ninong, isa lang yan sa hundreds of things that we can do with AI. So, that is how fast kanina, di ba?
So yan, again, guys, look at this. This is something that actual, and you don't have to wait. Di ba?
And you don't have to hire anyone to do it for you. And it's done.
O, yan
Just
na.
an instant, Ninong. And it will take you like a day sa ibang and
Not even,
voila. Are you ready
yeah.
to see your
Okay, sige nga.
virtual
Excited,
self, your avatar? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Certainly. Here's a brief explanation tailored for Butch Bartolome. I am Butch Bartolome,
Ay,
a
but
franchise expert,
But
business
like-
mentor,
Butch
and
kasi
entrepreneur
dapat Butch.
with a passion for helping others succeed. For over 3 decades, I have worked with aspiring entrepreneurs and established business owners to guide them
Ikaw na
through the
ikaw, boses na boses
complexities of
mo.
franchising and business development.
What
I specialize in franchising, assisting businesses in transforming into scalable and sustainable franchise systems. Business mentorship, offering strategic advice to help startups and growing enterprises achieve their goals. Empowering entrepreneurs, providing workshops, seminars, and one-on-one consultations to inspire confidence and ensure long-term success. My mission is to empower individuals and businesses to thrive, turning dreams into successful realities.
Galing. O, ayan. Teka, medyo marami na kayong now. Cholo, where can they get in touch with you? I'm sure with all the demonstration.
Yeah, just Google me if you want to have something like it. And I'm also the first AI voice agency in the Philippines. And if you want me to help you with your support agent voice and in your website, just call me. I will help you. With, of course, my manager, Butch
Ako,
Bartolome.
seen the true, kumbaga to see is to believe, di ba? Sabi nga natin. So anong page na pwede kang puntahan nila? That they can see what you demonstrated kanina.
Creative Voices Labs or Creative Voices, nandun po lahat. I-Google nyo lang. I'm the only one. The best Filipino voice artist and the best voice AI, Filipino voice AI in the world.
All right. Thank you very much. And again, Cholo, thank you very much for this occasion. Mabuhay ka. And I really love to have another update.
Yes.
Siguro 3 months from now.
Bago na naman.
Iba
Ninong.
na naman ang
Yes.
nangyayari sa
Every week,
mundo ng
every
AI.
day, nag-change.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
you.
Ninong.
Yan ha. Number 1.
Yes.